Welcome back. 2 springs on for your monkey reach to tendon stretch. Toes around the foot bar, take a breath in, push back and gently pull in. Press all the way out. You can keep the knees softly bent. As you pull in, scoop the belly back, press out and pull in. Stretching the spine, lengthening the muscles at the backs of the legs. Lower the heels under the foot bar for your tendon stretch. Lift the heels up, pull yourself in, push back, lower the heels under the foot bar, lift the heels up and pull yourself in for the tendon stretch. And the exercise is complete.